Weld-On solvent cements are available in several unique formulations. A primary component of these formulations is the cement's viscosity. So what is viscosity? In short, viscosity is the measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. The greater the viscosity of a solvent cement, the thicker it is. Thicker solvent cements are best at filling gaps within the joint and generally cure slower, allowing for longer work times. Thinner cements have minimal gap filling capabilities and cure faster. Understanding these viscosity characteristics is crucial to ensure successful joint applications. Weld-On solvent cements are offered in a range of viscosities that are best suited to the various diameters of plastic pipes used in projects. Pipe diameters range from a ½ inch to 30 inches and beyond. For each increase in diameter, there is a slightly larger gap to fill. The larger the gap, the higher the cement viscosity needed to fill that gap. Additionally, the higher the viscosity, the longer the cure time. Whether it's a ½ inch or 30 inches, Weld-On solvent cements are carefully tailored in viscosity to perfectly match the range of plastic pipe diameters for your project. When selecting your cement, look for the term regular-bodied, medium-bodied, heavy-bodied, or extra heavy-bodied on the product label. This will guide you to the largest pipe diameter for a given viscosity. Joint failures are possible if too low of a viscosity cement is used on too large of a pipe diameter, underlying the importance of understanding viscosity. Weld-On provides you with tools and resources to learn about how to select and use products that best fit your project. Visit us online at www.weldon.com or click on the links provided in the description.